Alright, well, greetings and salutations, everybody. I'm trying to hold the camera steady here. This is a Wednesday hump day in Seattle, Washington. I am beneath the, or somewhere underneath, the South Park Bridge, south of downtown Seattle. It's about probably 15 minutes from downtown Seattle. Along the beautiful banks of the Duwamish. You can hear the airplanes going by. It's a cloudy day today, but it's beautiful. It's about 75 degrees. It's a little windy, probably about 10 or 15 mile gusts once in a while going around, but you'll hear it on the mic. But it's gorgeous, it's dry, and this whole area here is part of the renovation of the South Park Bridge. You'll see some of those circular kind of a design rivets there. That was part, I think that those are part of the old bridge, so they just incorporated it on the new design of the bridge here. And there's a kind of a, I don't know, this is a beautiful lake bed imitation wood rockery. That's actually pretty nice to the, pretty pleasing to the eye, along with some great kind of bark, medium to large bark spread around here, along with some beautiful foliage. And this is the South Park Marina as I try to cross the street here. So these old kind of what is these, cobbles? They're not cobblestones, but they're brick streets are part of the old town Seattle. I heard, I read somewhere. And here's the Duwamish. I know for a fact that salmon swim here. You're just not allowed to fish. And this is the old it's like they're using that as a launching area for paddle boarders. It's a boat launch, that's true, but a lot of people use that for paddle boarding as well. And there's a whole bunch of boats there. So beyond the banks of the Duwamish there, you'll probably see some airplanes that are parked there. And it's been a topic of some of my posts. This is kind of a graveyard of sorts for them, some Boeing planes from when the Dreamliner got grounded because of the two airplane crashes, one Indonesian Air and the other one I can't remember which one it was, but anyway, I think it told of about 300 people died, and the Boeing set aside I think about $500 million to pay for the victims and pay restitution. So here's a bicyclist there. I've done that many times. Bicycled up there, but he's walking his bike over. It's like it's a mountain bike. And this drawbridge here is beautiful, at the tune of 162 million. I've also mentioned that a number of times in my previous posts. And a lot of these this is bad. This is a Blackberry Bush. It's prickly, and this thing will bite you if you're not careful. So the water level is a little bit low. You can see the high water mark there, where the kind of a beige, brownish water mark is left, the high water mark. But anyway, I thought I'd just take a video, short video of what's going on in August here. It's been a hot and humid August today, but we're not complaining, because I'm tell you what, they're pretty soon here, I think in a couple of months we'll be complaining about the wet weather. It's going to be raining pretty soon. You know, Seattle averages about 41 to 42 inches of rain. Very similar to Boston, Massachusetts. That's not so bad, but that is It's not so bad compared to some of the Southeast Asian countries. Like I grew up in Manila, and Manila I think gets over like 1,000 millimeters of rain, more than double during the rainy season. So I'm walking back now because I ordered some takeout, and I gotta go and retrieve my order. Oh, there's somebody walking their dog here. It's a black lab. So anyway, beautiful dog. Alright, it's nice of her to say thank you. Some people in Seattle aren't very friendly, but she was very nice of her. So there's a tire factory here, which I think is probably not getting a lot of business. They're not a highly publicized tire shop, not compared to like Les Schwab or Discount Tire around here. But that's the report so far. It's been a great month, great summer, with the exception that the pandemic's still going on. In fact, I'm gonna be wearing my mask here when I get back up to the takeout shop. So have a great day, everybody, and we will talk to you soon. Bom dia, boa tarde, boa noite, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi, wherever you are.